May graduar na ang 100 ka mga pioneering graduates gikan sa mga nagkilain-laing indigenous peoples communities sa Paquibato District at sa pinakaunang commencement exercises sa University of Southeastern Philippines Malabog Extension Campus.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Good morning. God bless Philippines. This is Councilor Danny Dayanghirang at sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Pag-uusapan po natin itong first graduation ng University of Southeastern Philippines na kung saan nagkaroon ng extension campus doon sa Barangay Malabog, Paquibato District. Itong Barangay Malabog or Paquibato District, ito yung number 1 engaged area between military and NPA, the New People's Army. So in short, yung area na yan, at that time ay hawak ni Commander Parago, talagang everyday, now and then, talagang ang labanan dyan, katakot-takot. Ang dami na rin mga opisyal ng Armed Forces at sa kabilang grupo ng NPA ang namatay na rin dyan, kasali si Commander Parago. Ang dami, I remember, kasi nag-serve ako dyan sa district na yan for how many years as a city councilor. Ngayon, nung dumating si President Rudy Duterte, nagkaroon ng continued dialogue at gumawa sila ng comprehensive to end the communism program by having this program of 911 project. It's a comprehensive project to make sure that consultation, dialogue ay tuloy-tuloy at komprehensibo kasi hindi kaya po ng militar kung sila lang at kailangan ng tulong ng local government. And because of this, pinaganda ang mga kalsada, nilagyan ng kuryente, nilagyan ng patubig. Then, meron talagang Peace 911 Committee na project monitoring team na nakamonitor. And isa sa project na ginawa ni Mayor Sara Duterte dito ay magtayo ng isang school. At that time, councilor ako, mayor siya, she even commissioned me to talk with the Secretary of Education, maghanap ng mga center or area na matayuan ng mga school para sa community development. And dito, nagkaroon ng agreement ang University of Southeastern Philippines at saka City Government of Davao sa tulong ng local government unit at saka sa barangay. And I would like to commend Barangay Captain Joselito Ariha sa Barangay Malabog sa kanyang steadfast and persistent. When I say steadfast, talagang pinanindigan niya at siya mismo nagpapalo up. With the help of the USEP school, ay nagkaroon ng extension office ang University of Southeastern Philippines. I was there. Kami ang naghanap ng lugar. Napakahirap. Pinasok namin yung gubat to look at the boundaries. Talagang napakahirap yung biyahe na yun. And we were escorted by the police. Now, dahil lang area na yan ay talagang malakas ang revolutionary group. Minsan, naisip ko, pag may pumutok dito, iniisip ko saan tatakbo or dahil mabangin eh. And fortunately, ay nagkaroon ng lupa and it was donated by the Ariha family, yung sa barangay captain. And ngayon, natayo na, ongoing yung construction ng school. At the same time, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-aaral ng mga kabataan. So the first graduation, first batch ng university extension doon sa Paquibato District. And I was there as visitor, as guest. Councilor, bakit importante yun? Alam mo, sa bukid, nandyan yun yung recruitment. Tawag ito, walang opportunity. Yung mga kabataan mag-aral, napakahirap and they are vulnerable. Opportunity in the sense na wala din silang pera or hirap. Ibig sabihin, hirap kung magkano ang boarding house sa baba, pag nasa city ka, yung daily fare mo, yung gastos mo. So, ang ginawa ni Mayor Sara, nilapit yung university. And because of this, ang daming nag-graduate at napakasaya ng mga kabataan. And I'm very happy. Pati mga parents, masaya. Ang daming cum laude, matatalino. Yung mga kabataan doon, and I was there. And the impact here is that it will bring down the cost of education. That is one. Number two, that will give opportunities, equal opportunities sa mga malalayong lugar. Kasi in Pay area yung dati, may university na doon eh. Then third, mga kaibigan, this will not, open an opportunity for recruitment. Kasi very sad, pag may mga recruitment, karamihan dyan, pag may gera, ang namamatay mga kabataan, mga graduate pa naman, sayang, mga graduate sa mga university. Now dito, nilapit na mismo yung gobyerno sa mga kabataan. So congratulations dahil sa end of communism program ni Mayor Sara Duterte at ngayon, at Vice Presidente na siya, and I'm very sure, pag pagbigyan siya ng national leadership, maging presidente, gagawin niya ito sa buong Pilipinas. And education, napaka-importante ito sa peace and development para sa ating mga kabataan. So congratulations sa mga graduates, parents, napakasaya at saka sa university family ng University of Southeastern Philippines. Maraming salamat po. God bless Philippines. See you next time. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Mahalin natin ito. This is Councilor Danny Dayanghirang. Bye-bye for now.
A political analyst, Danny Dayanghirang, shares his commentaries and analysis on the latest issues. As a veteran public servant, offering his insights and critical thinking. As an educator, he speaks the truth that matters. Our seasoned legislator, Danny Dayanghirang, is live every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Follow us on our social media platforms for more details. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.